Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be unboxing a cool 2020 Hot Wheels. We're just going to be opening this one today. This is the Porsche 914 Safari. And boy, this looks cool. This is from the Nightburnerz series, number 4 of 10. Honestly, it should be from something like Baja Blazers or whatever. But surprisingly, they haven't put that in the series. Put it in that series yet. And this is new for 2020. Look at that. Number 242 of 250. This came out very late in the year. It's from the P case, GHB 50. And this is a 2020 casting. I got this at my Family Dollar. August 14th is when I picked this one up. So a little over 3 months ago I got this, so it was still on the shelf from a 2020 P case. This is a 2017 copyright. There's the number right there. The Porsche 914 Safari is lifted and equipped with off-road lights, heavy-duty bumper, skid plate, and a full-size spare. This 914 is built to handle the toughest conditions. Super Speed is designed for night driving. That is what this Nightburnerz series is all about. And this is the newest version from 2021, the white one from the Hot Wheels Exotic series. I got this one mint on the card. This is what the newest one looks like. Alright, and it's time to get the 2020 version out of the packaging. We got it in this yellow color here. And it's in yellow. Yes, loving the yellow color. I legit forgot to turn my light on. There we go. Now you got better lighting on this one. Alright, let's take a good look at this one. We got it loose now. Yellow color. Porsche with the number 5 on the side. Orange tampos, or stripe. Logo. Baja 5 rims. Baja 5 spoke rims. Here's the back of the casting. Painted fuel tanks. Look at that. Nice casting. I've opened up another rally Porsche in the video before this one. It was really cool. And this has Luftgekühlt. I don't know how to pronounce that. It's like a German word, but we got it right here. Number 5 on the front. See those headlights? Cool casting. Thanks so much for tuning in and watching this video, and please subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. See you in the next one. Goodbye.